what this nigga I wouldn't do. To get up in your pants and rock your vocal. Intending to romance you like I love you. Quit chilling in the clubs like I got a curfew. Stop hitting the liquor and going to church more. Taking around the world in the G7 jet, girl. Living on my knees, intro you the Mile High Club till your toes curl back and your head feels swole. So, can you ride with me? Can you roll with another African with a pimp flow stroll? Girl, world in my hands. If you want it, you can get it. No thing is a limit, way cool. Dash T to the Mecca NIC. Put it on your reel like nothing ever seen. Mean pimp game extraordinarily so meticulous. Girl, picture this.
Say hey, waiting there for your back way they move so. Say hey, the way they do now and they feel low. Say hey, come on, say what the bucks? Who's your pops? You must have shot that sweet sugar shit in your mouth. Look at your sweet buttocks, love your walk, where you talk, smile. Ooh, girl, I love them chops. Spend my money over here and over there, all over the world to fancy shop. Love your perfume, smells you for miles and blocks. And when I'm with you, I'm not afraid to take shots or get beat by stupid and crazy cops. For you, Rockstone got the hots. Jesus Christ, I want you so bad, it's got to be done. Who are you and where do you come from? I leave my wife for you and then some. You can't cuss me in public when you want. When you call me, I don't walk, I run. Smack me when I do wrong like Jerry do Tom. Say hey, waiting there for your back way they move so. Say hey, the way they do now and they feel low. Say hey, come on, say yeah, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. My name is Reggie Rockstone. Yes, sir. Your Sacrum president. And I came in here with my main man, the auto mechanic. Yes, sir. Quick T in the building. Double